Before it becomes the king of the quarry, it is born from the fire. Behold the skeleton of power, engineered for the impossible.
Every millimeter is a testament to precision.
A muscle that moves mountains. Clarity in the center of the storm. Born from pressure, built for endurance. It starts with a vision of dominance. A relentless march towards perfection. Sealed to withstand the harshest environments. Life begins with a spark. Unyielding momentum. The center of command. The earth trembles in its presence. The blood of the machine. Held together by sheer force. Regulating the beast. Where technology meets raw power. A scale that humbles the horizon. The shine before the dust. The world is about to change. Everything begins in the dust of the old, waiting to be reborn. The quarry is a brutal arena. It marks everything it touches.
Failure starts small. A crack, a chip, a moment of weakness.
To conquer the earth, we must first master the fire.
Purity is the foundation of strength.
A silent giant, waiting for its purpose. Stuck in the mire. This is the pain of the unprepared.
When the world freezes, movement stops, unless you are built differently.
Nature never stops grinding. Neither can we.
Lost time is lost fortune. Efficiency is the only way out. Strength is forged in the heat of necessity. The sheer mass of progress. The invisible enemy of endurance. Contamination is the poison of performance. Every problem has a solution. It just needs to be drawn.
A loss of pressure is a loss of control.
Stripping away the weakness to find the steel beneath.
This is the burden we are built to lift.
The transformation begins now.
Every joint is mapped. Every motion is perfected.
Carving out the geometry of power. Measurement is the language of quality. Mapping the veins of the machine. Precision without the heat. Testing the spirit of the steel. Anticipating the load before the lift. Shaping the base of movement. Where the plan becomes the reality. Thermal stability is the core of longevity. Refining the foundation. Flawless inside and out. Ancient craft meets digital design. Intelligence in every movement. Hardness that promises a lifetime. Programming the strength of the beast. The smooth finish of power. The plan that moves the world. Every machine has a name. Ready for the transformation. Precision that powers the impossible. The liquid foundation of strength. Forged in the heart of the storm. A bond stronger than the earth itself. Tempered for the ultimate challenge.
The engine and the frame becoming one.
A network of power, pulsating with life. The pivot point of agility.
The skin of a titan.
A clear view of the future. Aligned for the heaviest burdens. Inhaling the power of performance. Secured for the journey ahead. Awakening the intelligence. The lifeblood of the machine. The first breath of the Titan. grounding the power. Absolute command at your fingertips. A name forged in fire. The transformation is complete. The earth awaits.
Smoothness is the silent partner of power.
In the world of giants, precision is measured in microns.
Connecting the intelligence to the heavy iron.
Zero leaks. Zero failure.
Consistency creates endurance. Every detail carries our signature.
Pure lifeblood for a high-performance heart. Isolation from the noise. Focus on the task. Refined power at your fingertips.
Managing the fire within.
Harder than the earth it moves. The interface of control. Detail-oriented. Load ready.
Balanced, ready for the push.
Invisible protection for a lifetime. Unclear vision is not an option. Aware of every angle.
The masterpiece is finished.
Certified for the extreme. The line of precision, ready for the field. The workshop was the dream. This is reality. Biting through the resistance of the earth. Pushing every muscle to the breaking point. Stability that commands the terrain.
Maximum comfort in the center of the storm.
Thermal efficiency when it matters most. Sealed for the extremes. Absolute control in every second.
Light that turns night into day.
The rhythm of productivity. Restoring the masterpiece. The logistics of a giant. A careful ascent.
Locked down for the long haul.
Protection until the first day. Accountable for every micron.
A Titan is coming!
From the line to the land. Bridging the distance.
The destination reached. The work begins.
The land meets its master. Power applied. Redefining efficiency, one bucket at a time. Strength refined by surgical precision. Agility that moves mountains. The breath of a legend in motion.
The office of the modern architect.
A day's work that reshapes the horizon. Always ready. Always unyielding. Care that protects the legacy of power. Mass in motion. Efficiency in control. Weather is just a backdrop for performance. Honoring the past, building the future. Fueling the engine of progress.
Leading the symphony of global movement.
Unstoppable momentum.
A masterpiece that commands the quarry.
Reliability is our signature.
The earth is moved. The legacy is forged. T+ Industrial, the complete masterpiece.